Lynn usually drinks coffee in the morning.
They don't go to the gym on weekends.
What time does your English class start?
He watches TV after dinner every night.
Do you work at the coffee shop on Maple Avenue?
Greg doesn't play hockey, he plays baseball.
Eric doesn't like spicy food.
Does it rain a lot in April?
Katie doesn't eat meat because she is vegetarian.
Does the store close at 9 p.m. every day?
Do Tom and Nina study English online twice a week?
Why does she wear glasses?
Luke's football practice ends at 5 p.m.
How often do you clean your room?
She doesn't like cold weather.
They aren't usually at home for lunch.
How long does it take to get to the airport from here?
Why does he always forget his keys?
How often does your teacher give you homework?
Where does she usually hang out with her friends?
Hey there, English Go Getter! You did it! You finished the quiz! And how did you do, English Go Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.